Hello, welcome to my channel. We wanna talking about interior design, sketching. Let's go. Interior design play a very important role in architecture and is considered as an essential component of the design process of building and interior spaces. The importance of interior design in architecture is very special because of the multiple effects it has on user experience, spatial communication, space use, and even the attractiveness and identity of building. Below I will mention some of these effects and importance. User experience. Interior design has a direct impact on the experience and well-being of a user and residents of a space. Through the appropriate selection of the colors, lighting, the amount of open and closed space, building material and future settings, improvements in comfort, security and pleasure can be made. Spatial communication. Interior design can arrange a space in such a way that communication between the audience increase. The accurate selection of social places, workspace, private and public space will have a great impact on the interaction of people with each other. Optimal use of a space. Interior design gives architects and designers the opportunity to design a space intelligently and opportunity, considering different need and application. A space can be designed in such a way that all tasks and activities are performed in the best possible way. Attractiveness and identity of the building. Interior design can significantly contribute to the attractiveness and the personality of the building. The choice of style, material, decoration, and interior details can give a unique identity to building and make it more recognizable. thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that is very useful for you. That another video we want to talking about a plan and diagram in architecture. So come with me.